Art Class Science Green Pages. Here see children the green friends, a natural fable. Long ago a magical forest grew in the land of beauty. The trees could speak and were friends of the people the forest. Trees are the speak friends, okay? In forest level animals, birds, these are the trees friends. Yes, here see children, here circle 12 numbers are there, 1 to 12 numbers. Okay, here see what is the first one. Dash was a home to different kinds of animals, birds and insects. In forest where did live animals and birds, small insects, trees. On the trees, yes, here right. Trees was a home to different kinds of animals, birds and insects. Okay, second one. Dash gave food and nesting material to mammals, birds and insects. Nesting material means nest, nest. Birds are the build the nest for home. And food in forest, which one is give food? Trees are the give food, yes, and it is the answer is trees. Trees gave your food and nesting material to mammals, birds and insects. Okay, here see children, which gave fresh air to breathe and kept the surroundings cool. Which one is the give fresh air? Trees are the give fresh air to breathe. Yes, trees gave fresh air to breathe and kept the surroundings cool. Here write trees spelling T-R-E-E-S. Okay, fourth one. Here clean the air by taking away dust from it. Trees cleaned the air by taking away dust from it. Next one. Dash protected the soil from being carried away by wind or water. Trees are the protector to the soil being carried away by wind or water. Sixth one. Dash released water in the air through leaves which formed rain clouds. Trees released water in the air through leaves which formed rain clouds. Okay, next, seventh one. Dash made soil fertile with humus made from fallen leaves. Trees made soil fertile with humus made from fallen leaves. Leaves ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తాయి? ట్రీస్ నుంచి కాబట్టి ట్రీస్ made soil fertile. Eighth one. Dash increased underground water. Trees are the increased underground water. Next, ninth one. Dash observed noise and made the environment peaceful. Trees observed the noise and made the environment peaceful. Tenth one. Dash gave shade and beauty. Trees gave shade and beauty. Next, 11th one. Dash gave wood to burn for cooking, heating and for making buildings and furniture. Wood ekkadi nunchi vastundi manaki? It comes trees. Yes, trees gave wood to burn for cooking, heating and for making buildings and furniture. Okay, next, 12th one. Dash gave chemicals for medicines, pulp, paper and rubber. This all comes from trees. Trees gave chemicals for medicines, pulp, paper and rubber. Okay, you can write here 12 fill the 12 blanks here. Trees, total the answer is only one answer, trees. Okay, every number starting here right trees spelling. Okay, next, nature's friend. He is a nature friend. In 1973 villagers in the Garhwal Himalaya used trees to stop them from being cut down. This is known as the Chipko movement. Once when trees were being felled in the Hanwal Valley, Sundarlal Bahuguna with other villagers protested, known as the Friend of Trees. Bahuguna pledged to devote himself to the protection of the Himalayan environment. He spread the message, save trees and save mankind, by walking to many Himalayan villages. He, along with others, planted trees in the mountains. Sometimes he fasted to protest against the felling of trees. Okay, Sundarlal Bahuguna spread the message, save trees and save mankind, and his protection of the Himalayan environment. He is along with others, he planted trees in the mountains. He is by walking to many Himalayan villages to surroundings, and sometimes he fasted to protest against the felling of trees. He is mankind save trees, and to save mankind send the message in worldwide famous natural friend he is. Okay, 13th one. Here see, you can read this passage. The peoples in the land of beauty needed wood to build houses, to keep warm, and to cook food, so they cut down the trees. Yes, we all members are cut the trees, and we cook food in the trees, build houses, and however, for every tree cut down, they planted 2 trees in its place. When we cut one tree, you can same that place, you can plant 2 trees in its place. Okay, they had promised the trees that have wood, so you can promise, I planted the tree here. Okay, you can promise the tree. After some time, the people forgot their you can cut the tree, but you forgot the promise. I planted the plant అనేది ఆ ప్రామిస్ని బ్రేక్ చేస్తున్నారు. యూ ఫర్గట్ ద ప్రామిస్. ఓకే, దే స్టాప్డ్ ప్లాంటింగ్ ట్రీస్ అండ్ దే డిడ్ నాట్ స్టాప్ కటింగ్ దెమ్. ద ట్రీస్ బికేమ్ సాడ్. దే స్టాప్డ్ టాకింగ్. One night when the people were sleeping, the forest quietly walked away. The people woke up to find the forest gone. The animals that lived in the forest became homeless. ట్రీస్ కట్ చేయడం వల్ల యానిమల్స్కి, బర్డ్స్కి ఇట్స్ హోమ్లెస్. ఎస్, హోమ్ అనేది ఉంటుందా? నో. దే డిడ్ నాట్ గెట్ ఎనీ ఫుడ్ టు ఈట్. అసలు మనం ఫుడ్ తినడానికి ట్రీస్ లేకపోతే మనం ఫుడ్ ఉండదు. ఎస్, దే బిగన్ టు డై. ద ఎయిర్ నో లాంగర్ స్మెల్డ్ ఫ్రెష్ అండ్ క్లీన్. దేర్ వాజ్ నో రెయిన్. పీపుల్ డిడ్ నాట్ హ్యావ్ వాటర్. సూన్ నో plants grew on the land. People could not grow food. The treeless land of beauty became dry and hot. Without trees, the land is dry and hot, and without trees, no air, no food. Okay, no rain, no water. Yes, but we live in dry and hot areas. We will dry. Okay, they begin to die. No food, get any food, not as the food అనేది ఉండదు. Okay. Why did the green friends of the people stop talking and walk away? What should the people do to bring the forest back? Discuss with your teacher and friends in the class. Here says, don't cut the trees. Planted the many trees and many plants. Okay, don't cut the trees. And trees give so many things, and trees are very useful to us. Okay, children. And here say, nature cure. Put some tulasi leaves and piece of ginger in a cup full of water. Request an adult to boil it well, and add a spoon of honey and mix well. Have this special hot tea to treat a sore throat. మనకి ఏమైనా థ్రోట్ ఇన్ఫెక్షన్ ఉంటే యూ కెన్ డూ దిస్ టైప్. It is very early to cure. If you get bitten by an insect, apply lemon juice or piece of grated lemon to the bitten area. You can do this one, and this one, your throat is clear to cure any infections. Okay, children, you can read this page, 56 page, the green pages. You can do this. You can write here tree spelling. You can read these ones, 12 messages. You can read 12. Okay, 12 words. Next, read 13th one, and nature cure and nature friend. You can read totally 56 page, 13 words, 12 words and 13th paragraph. You can read and you can understand more than. Okay, thank you.